Well, today we have the Starfire Burger. Let's find out how to make this. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment. Helps the video out a ton. And click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, we have the Starfire Chicken Burger, and it starts with a Lemon Garlic Aioli. Real easy to do. What you do is you get about a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon juice, about a cup of mayonnaise, some salt and pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced. And then grab a whisk and whisk the shit out of it. And your aioli is complete. All right, let's make a burger. Okay, what we have here are quarter-pound chicken burgers. And chicken's a little different than beef. You can't just smash them between the plates like I normally do. And I'm just adding my local grocery store's burger blend that I quite enjoy. You can add any blend of burger seasonings you want, or, just salt and pepper. Now, with beef, normally I take a quarter-pound ball and smash it between 2 plates. But these, obviously, you can't. You got to be a little more handsy. Where you, the way I did it was I put the chicken ball on a piece of parchment paper, placed another over it, and lightly patted it out until they resembled the burgers that you see here before you. So you'll want to give these about 4 or 5 minutes aside, and make sure you take the internal temperature. They need to be 165 before they are safe for serving. Okay, when the chicken burgers look a little bit something like this, it's time to add the cheese. And this is just simply a white American cheese that we're going to lay on top of our burgers. I truly think American cheese is the best cheese for burgers, but if you don't want to use it for whatever reason, then I would go with Swiss in this scenario, or cheddar. But as of right now, we're going to put a lid on it, let the steam collect, melt the cheese, and we're going to be ready to plate this. Oh, and don't forget to toast your buns. I spread a bunch of butter around the griddle, and after I cleaned it, and toasted those buns right up. Okay, we have our nicely toasted bun. Time to add some shreddis, or shredded iceberg lettuce, as ye mere mortals call it. And then we're going to add our chicken patty, or chicken burger, and whatever you want to call it. Who cares? And then we're going to add some thinly sliced red onions. Our second chicken patty. Now it's time for some tomatoes. Couple of tomatoes. And then, of course, pickles. I don't give a crap what the meat of the burger patty is. If it doesn't have pickles on it when it's presented as a burger, it's probably going to be garbage. Throw it out immediately. Okay, and I do apologize for this. I didn't think of it at the time, but I'm spreading that aioli that I made onto the top bun and then just pop it on top. And that's really it. Starfire Chicken Burger. Done.